Hello people on the internet. So I've been using this keyboard for the past few months and it's amazing. It is the ACR Pro Alice from Akko. Now at first glance you might be wondering why the layout looks so weird. Instead of looking like this, that's because it is an ergonomic keyboard. Unlike a normal keyboard with a standard layout, ergonomic keyboards are designed to provide a more natural and comfortable typing experience. Normally, this keyboard have a split key design, separating the keyboard into two halves. The reason behind it is simple: to reduce the strain on your hand and wrist. While typing on a normal keyboard, your hands and wrists are tucked in, forces your hand into an awkward position. With an ergonomic keyboard, you can achieve a more natural, comfortable typing posture. At first, it might take some time for you to get used to the layout, but with enough practice, you will find yourself typing in a much comfortable posture. Alright, class dismissed, back to the video. For this build, I'm using KTT Kang White switches, and the spec is on the side. These switches came unlooped, so I went through the long and tiring journey of looping each and every one. First, the base, then the spring, and the stem. I also make some tweaks to the stock stabilizer. The assembly was fairly simple, with only 12 screws to remove. With everything put together, it is now complete. There's two plates to choose from, foam and metal. I went with the foam as it sound and flex better. Now here's some sound tests. From the sound test, the Akko sounds much creamier while the DNA gives off a more clackier sound profile. Personally, I prefer the creamier sound, which was the goal from the start. In conclusion, this keyboard checks all the boxes for what I envisioned for my perfect keyboard to be. It looks good, sounds amazing, types well, and have that premium feel to it. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button and subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.